In today's video, we're diving into an essential topic for those looking to create their first website in 2024, and that is finding the best web hosting provider. We're going to be exploring 5 top-notch web hosting providers, breaking down their pros and cons, and helping you decide which one is best. So let's get started. Before we get into talking about these platforms though, let's discuss what web hosting is. Essentially, web hosting is a service that allows you to publish your website on the internet. Think of renting a space on a server where all your data is stored for your website. A good host is going to ensure that your website is fast and secure for your users. When choosing a web hosting provider, there are a couple key factors to keep in mind: performance, reliability, customer support, features, and of course, pricing. And for beginners, ease of use is of course a very big deal. Now let's dive into our top 5 hosting providers in 2024. First up, we have Bluehost. Known for its excellent performance and support, Bluehost is a favorite among WordPress users and is actually officially recommended by WordPress itself as one of the few of web hosting platforms recommended by WordPress. Bluehost and WordPress are seamless. The integration between the two is very easy. So if you want to use WordPress, then Bluehost might be a good option for you as a web hosting platform. With Bluehost, you get a free domain name for the first year, an SSL certificate, and one-click seamless WordPress installation. Plans start at about $2.95 per month, and that'll get you 10 gigs of SSD storage and unlimited bandwidth. The control panel is super easy, like I said, very seamless, and it's great for beginners. And what makes WordPress stand out from its competitors is really that seamless integration with WordPress. So if you're dead set on using WordPress, then Bluehost is going to be a great option for you because of how easily the two are integrated. Another neat feature about Bluehost is the staging platform. This allows you to see and test your website's changes before they go live. Bluehost also has amazing 24/7 customer support, and they're available via phone, chat, and email. So you really can get help whenever you need it. And this is really going to be crucial for people just starting out, especially beginners, because you might need a little bit of help when you're just getting off the ground. Bluehost also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's really at no risk to you. All right, that's Bluehost. Now we're on to the next one, and the next platform is SiteGround. SiteGround is known for excellent performance and robust security features. SiteGround also has a bit more premium features in terms of daily backups, free CDN, and advanced security options. Plans start at around $2.99 per month, and this is also going to get you 10 gigs of SSD storage as well as unlimited bandwidth, just like Bluehost. SiteGround's performance is top-notch. Their servers are optimized for speed and security, and they use all of the latest technologies, which just ensures that your website loads efficiently and quickly. SiteGround also offers a content daily network, or CDN, with all of their plans. And the CDN basically distributes your content across multiple servers worldwide. This is going to reduce load times and increase user experience. Another area where SiteGround excels is that they offer a wide range of security features. This includes free SSL certificates, daily backups, and an AI bot that helps protect against malicious attacks. Also, SiteGround's web application firewall is updated regularly to protect against any threats as well. They also offer a unique tool called Site Scanner, which monitors your site for daily malware and just checks to make sure everything is working smoothly. So that's SiteGround, another great option. Let's talk now about Squarespace. Squarespace is a great option for those who want an all-in-one solution for web hosting and website building. What's great about Squarespace is that they offer a wide range of templates, so you can really choose something that looks professional and exactly for your niche. Plans start at about $16 per month when you sign up annually, and this includes unlimited bandwidth and storage, a free custom domain, SSL security, and 24/7 customer support. Squarespace also includes some e-commerce features, which makes it a great option for those trying to sell products online. The drag and drop editor on Squarespace makes it very easy for beginners to edit their pages. You can adjust all the content as needed, and it's a very seamless process. Squarespace also has built-in SEO tools that will help you rank higher in search. The neat thing about Squarespace is that it's an all-in-one platform, so you don't have to worry about managing your hosting separate from your website building. Everything is integrated, making the process very simple. And also, Squarespace has amazing customer support as well, and it's available 24/7 via chat and email. Now that we know a little bit about Squarespace, let's talk about Wix. Wix is another excellent all-in-one platform that's known for its flexibility and ease of use. Wix offers a free plan with their branded template, but if you don't want any of their branding, it's going to cost you $17 per month. And this plan is going to include a custom domain, the removal of Wix ads and branding, and increased storage and bandwidth. Wix's drag and drop feature is highly intuitive and also great for beginners. It's going to allow you to create exactly the website that you want, and they also provide a wide range of apps that help you make the website exactly to your liking. Wix is incredibly versatile and offers a wide range of tools to help suit all your business needs. Whether you're creating a blog, an online store, an e-commerce platform, they have it all. And they're going to have a template to match your design preference. Now that we talked about Wix, lastly, we're going to talk about one of our favorite platforms and the one that we're actually going to show you how to set up today, and that is Hostinger. Now, we talk about Hostinger all the time on the channel. We recommend it to all our our friends, it's really our favorite platform for creating a website. You really don't need to break the bank with Hostinger, and it's so easy to set up a website in less than an hour. What's great about Hostinger is that there are more complex settings once you get there, but it's also a great option for beginners. Hostinger has excellent 24/7 customer support. They have great speeds and uptimes, extremely affordable pricing, and all the bells and whistles that you would want in any plan. Right now, we're going to walk through the Hostinger platform. We'll leave a link down below in the description. Go ahead and click on that link, and then let's go ahead and walk through this together. Once you click on our special link down below, you'll see the landing page for Hostinger here. And you'll see for under $2.99 per month, we can get our website started today. Also note here that there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's really no risk to you. All right, let's go ahead and click start now. Once we do that, it's going to take us down here, and we're going to have the option to pick between a couple different plans here. So the most popular option is this business plan at $3.99 per month, but when you're just getting started out, the premium plan is going to be plenty for what you need. They also have a cloud startup plan that has a little bit more functionality. We'll go over some of the information here in a second. So for the premium plan, it's going to allow for 100 websites, up to 25,000 monthly visits, 100 gigs of SSD storage, unlimited free SSL, a free email, free weekly backups, and a free domain name. There's a couple other features as well, but these are just the main ones. Now, if you upgrade to the business plan, you're going to get more storage and basically all of the same features, but you're also going to get daily backups instead of weekly. Now, I highly recommend that you have daily backups on your website. I have them on my website, and I actually had to use it once when I updated my site and everything went away. Now, you don't have to choose this business plan to have the daily backups. You can actually add them on later, but just note that's a really important feature that I highly recommend you have. If we scroll down here, we can see some additional features as well. If we're managing our site by WordPress instead of the Hostinger web builder, we're going to get all of these features here that include free templates, starter WooCommerce if we're starting an e-commerce platform, and a couple other features. And also, if we have the Hostinger website builder, we're going to get the basic drag and drop and 150 templates. Also, for the security across the board, there's standard DDoS protection, a malware scanner, free Whois privacy protection, which is a value of $9.99. And then for service and support across the board, we're getting everything except the higher end has priority support. So 30-day money-back guarantee, 99.9% uptime, global data centers, 24/7 customer support. All of these plans include these. And then there's also some technical details if you want to go over that, but we don't really need to know too much about that now. When you're ready to get started, let's go ahead and choose the plan for the premium option here. Now that we're here, it's going to ask us to choose the hosting period for our plan. Now, the only one we really don't recommend here is the 1 month option because it's really expensive per month. But if you lock in for at least 12 months, you're going to get a lot better rate. So for 12 months, it's $3.19, and you can lock in for 48 months at that $2.99 price. Let's just do the 12 month for now. I think that's a good option for most people. Now let's go ahead and create our account. You can create one or log in if you have one already. Let's keep scrolling down and we'll go to the payment information down here. Let's go ahead and enter all of our contact information here. And you'll see that right now, as it is, we already have a 73% discount just by using our link. But do not forget to click have a coupon code. This is a very important part. You're going to get an additional couple dollars off by using the code MyFirstWebsite. Once you apply that, we'll see that the total goes from $38.28 all the way down to $34.45 for your first year of web hosting. This is an insane deal to get a web hosting plan for 1 year and your free domain name. So once you're finished with that, go ahead and just enter your credit card information here. And before we click submit, we can just go ahead and look at the bottom here. We have that 30-day money-back guarantee. I've actually had to use this for one of my websites, and it's very easy to get your money back. So just know this is really at no risk to you to try out a website today. And once you're finished with that and you're ready to purchase, go ahead and click submit secure payment. That's a review of the 5 web hosting platforms for 2024. Now, whether you choose the budget-friendly Hostinger like we recommend, or you go with a platform like Squarespace or Wix, all of these are going to be great options to get your website off the ground. Just a note too, we'll link all 5 of the web hosting platforms down below in the description. And if you do choose to use one of those links, we do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really helps us keep creating free content like this for you. So thank you so much in advance for using those links. This channel was created to help you start and grow your first website. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this in the future, please leave us a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best on your website building journey, and we will see you in the next video.